In this problem, we're asked to expand this logarithmic expression as much as possible. When expanding a logarithm, you will rewrite the logarithm in multiple terms, and each term will involve a logarithm where you're taking the log of a single factor. This will be accomplished using the laws of logarithms. The laws of logarithms state that if you're taking the log of a product of two factors, that can be rewritten as a sum of two logarithms, the log of one factor plus the log of the other factor. If you're taking the log of a quotient, that can also be rewritten as two logarithms with individual terms. There will be subtracted the log of the factor in the numerator minus the log of the factor in the denominator. That order is important. The factor in the numerator's logarithm comes first, and then after the minus sign is the logarithm of the factor in the denominator. And the final law of logarithms that we may use when expanding a logarithm states that if you take the log of any base of something to a power, that power can be multiplied by the logarithm of the base of that exponent, the base of the power m to the k. Here, we're dealing with the log base 2 of x to the second times y to the third. We'll begin expanding this by using the first law of logarithms. This states that we're looking at the log base 2 of x to the second times y to the third. This can be broken apart to the log base 2 of x to the second plus log base 2 of y to the third. And then finally, to expand this as much as possible, we'll use the third law of logarithms. In each term, we have the log of something to a power. We can move that exponent out to the front. In the first term, this would be written as 2 times log base 2 of x plus the second term, bringing the 3 out to the front, is 3 log base 2 of y. So the logarithmic expression log base 2 of x squared times y to the third is equal to, after expanding using the laws of logarithms, 2 times log base 2 of x plus 3 times log base 2 of y.